and it's more money in my life today. But I'm outside today, got inside, oh. But there's barely a nice, got inside, oh. Whether the we gon' cool my mind. No stress, no enemy. That boy used to be a friend of me. XO, what she sent to me, say me can't let them.
Hi guys, so super sorry for the awkward camera position, but I'm currently on my way to get my hair done. So I just wanted to take you guys with me to come and just get slayed today. And yeah, I haven't had my hair done in a really long time, and I only actually have one person that does my hair upon request, and that is Adama, who's doing my hair again today. Just getting a little bit of content, and also yeah, just in our content bags. And I feel like when you're a hairstylist as well, we spend so much time doing other people's hair that we don't even have time to do our own hair. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I look a bit crusty because I had the whole day and I don't know what I was doing with my day, but you know when it just gets to a certain point, it's just like, okay, cool, you need to leave the house. So I packed my makeup with me, packed my laptop because I want to edit, and yeah, we're just gonna make our way to get slayed. Oh yeah, I'm also wearing Planet Baddie tracksuit today. Super comfortable. I'll show you guys like when I obviously get out of the car and stuff, but I'm wearing it in the blue color. I believe this is a medium as well, so if you're like a size 8 if you're like a size 8 to 10, like this is the perfect fit. It's got like the thumb thing as well, but yeah, I'll show you guys when I get out. But yeah, I'm so excited. I feel like, yeah, your girl just needs her hair done, but I will catch you guys when I get there so I can just focus on the roads. And yeah.
You know what, Miranda? I see you doing your hair, yeah?
It's hard.
It's such a blissful experience.
What?
I know.
Guys, I thought she was about to say my hair.
No, but I think it's because I've done your hair a few times. It's like whenever I do, I'm always like, oh, because I know your hairline. Do you get it?
Wow.
I just
put
know.
That on camera.
Oh, I'm dead. Don't come and cry now.